This video will explain the math behind the examples, so that you will gain a greater understanding of why the examples work out. So let's get started now on MathCat. 3, 2, 1. What does it mean to take the cubed root of a number? Cubed root has the number 3 by the radical sign, and it means what three numbers multiplied together give you 27. Well, 3 times 3 times 3 equal 27. 3 cubed is 27. So it would be accurate to say the cubed root, or the third root of 27, equals 3. Now if you've seen how we've taken the square root, we did the same thing with negative numbers. But what happens with cubed roots? What if we multiplied negative 3 together 3 times? Well, if we multiplied negative 3 times negative 3, we get positive 9 times negative 3, we get negative 7. Negative 3 to the third power, or cubed, is negative 27. So notice the difference. Here, 3 cubed is 27, and here, negative 3 cubed is negative 27. So we do not have two answers like we do with square root. So the cubed root of 27 is only positive 3. What if we took the fourth root of a number? What's the fourth root of 16? Well, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 happens to equal 16. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. So if you multiply 2 together 4 times, you get 16. Or we could say 2 to the fourth power is 16. So we would say the fourth root of 16 is positive 2. Let's try negatives. Negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 16. The fourth root of negative 2 is positive 16. So the fourth root of 16 would also be negative 2. So when we say the fourth root of a number, just like square root, we would include the positive and negative and the number. So a cubed root of 27 is only positive 3, and the fourth root of a number like 16 is positive or negative 2. What's the difference? And the answer is if the root number is odd or even. Odd root, even root. Because negative times a negative times a negative, or any combination of odd multiplication, is going to give you a negative number, not a positive number. 2 negatives, 4 negatives, 6 negatives, 8 negatives multiplied together will give you a positive number. So taking the even root of a number, you have to include the positive and negative version. Taking the odd root of a positive number is a positive number. Taking the odd root of a negative number is how you get the negative number. And of course, taking the even root of a negative number, Texas Instrument calls that done. Cannot be done. So even roots of positive numbers gives you positive or negative answers. Odd roots of positive numbers give you positive numbers. Odd roots of negative numbers give you negative numbers. Even roots of negative numbers are undefined. Cannot be done.